Here's a Underwood portable. I'm selling it as a display piece or needs to be repaired. And what we have here is the Underwood portable name here with some paint chipping. Color is kind of a olive green with the crackle black. And on the back here you have the logo, the name Underwood. These are glass keys with the metal rings around them. There's a screw that holds it down into the bottom half of the case, but the screw's missing on the other side. When I ship it, I'll ship it nice and tight so it won't move around at all. The case itself is rather nice. It has the original leather strap. There's a spot here, a wear spot or something. Wouldn't it be nice to know what caused that? And it has a warranty sticker on the back there. And some of the carriage advances to a point, to the center point. You know, when it gets in the middle, it stops. We got a little gizmo here that seems to be a little wobbly or something. Seems like it should have a little more. I don't know if it carries lock or what. But the strap here for the carriage advance seems to be working fine. And some of the keys are kind of high and low on the inside here, high and low keys. There's some paint missing here. And let's see here. You know, the carriage itself kind of wobbles a little bit. On the back side here, some Underwood info and some chipping of the paint here, and on this side here too. I'll pack it up nice and neat. But as you can see, when it goes right to here, it stops. I'm thinking it's just something to do with the locking mechanism, you know, and needs adjustment. And finish on this side, again right here, right around this surface here. And we have the ribbon, you know, it's an old ribbon, so I'm sure it's dried out. And I looked it up, and it has a white key, so it said on one website that this makes it like 1931. I didn't see, since I can't really get the carriage to move clear over to the left, I don't see any model number. Oh, see there? I just found it here, right in there, and I'll look it up and see what year it says that it was made in. But you got some, you know, chips here and stuff. But again, this is part of my collection, and I'm just kind of weeding out different ones, selling them, and to let others, you know, enjoy it. You know, it's a nice looking, especially with the glass keys, the caps and everything. You know, so thank you for watching this video.